Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to take a look at GitHub code. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and be opening up the official GitHub website right here on github.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. So first things first, in the main page, you want to log in. In the upper right corner, you're going to have the login button. If you're not already logged in, you can click the sign up button. That's going to enable you to create a new account. And once you have gotten your account, we can get started logging in. So by logging into your account, you'll now be greeted by this main page right here. We can take a look at our repositories. We can take a look at our home info and all the info that we have. And now we can get started. So basically guys, how can you take a look at the code of a project? It's very easy and it only takes a couple of steps. We're going to go ahead and be finding the repository of the project. So let's say this project right here, I'm going to open up its repository. It's going to look like this, where you can take a look at all the info right here. And basically guys, immediately we can take a look at this whole section right here. This is the code of the project. Here you have all the code info that you need, such as the source code right here. As you can see, here is the source code of the project where you can take a look at all the code info that you need. And if you want to download all this code to be able to open it up on your PC and access it, you can just click on the code option right here. So this big green button, this is going to enable you to download as a zip all the code of the project, from which you can then get started editing and accessing it, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care and bye.